Well, this is it, guys. This is the week of Orlando HamCation, and I'm starting to prepare now. I started kind of preparing a little bit last week, but this is the week that I'm really starting to prepare since I leave Friday morning, and I'm off of work this week, so I've just got a ton of time to do things, you know, that I got to get done, you know, packing and buying things and just getting all the things that I need done before I leave. Yesterday, I went ahead and scheduled the live streams, at least the first 2 live streams for Orlando HamCation. I'm going to be doing a booth tour on Friday and a vendor booth tour on Saturday. So be looking out for those 2 live streams. I'll be posting the links publicly probably the day before, and then I'll do another post about an hour before when I start. I haven't really nailed down the times yet, so that's why I haven't publicly released the video links yet or really said anything about it, so I'm still hashing all that out. And when you guys are watching this video, it's actually going to be, I'm already going to be on the plane when you guys are watching this video, or I might even be in Orlando. Plane tickets are bought, everything's all settled. I got to go pick up my media credentials Friday morning. Couldn't really find a flight into Orlando for Thursday, so that's why we're flying in. Me and Jeremy are flying in Friday. That's kind of why we're coming in the first day of HamCation rather than the day before or anything like that. So unfortunately, I missed the YouTubers get together out at Lake Louisa with all the other ham radio YouTubers. Sucks I had to miss that, but hopefully there'll be some other events and things like that I'll have an opportunity to hang out with those guys and meet them. All right, so one of the things I've been needing to get done, you know, just besides for the trip, I got to get a haircut, man, because the mullet, I don't know if you guys have actually ever seen me without a hat, but the mullet, as you can see, is just out of control right now. It just looks like crap, so don't know if I'm gonna keep the mullet or not. I guess that's just one of those things we'll have to see, kind of spur of the moment decision. So yeah, I gotta go get a haircut, but you know, I like to look professional, you know, for work and all that stuff too, even though I'm off this week. But you know, I got the time this week while I'm on vacation, so might as well go do it anyways. Oh, also one more thing too, last night, day that I'm filming this on is Tuesday, and last night, Monday night, the legendary Toby Keith passed away due to cancer, so we're gonna be listening to some Toby Keith on the way to get the haircut. So I think this vlog just may have to be dedicated to the honor of the late great Toby Keith. You're a true country legend, sir. May you rest in peace. I should have been a cowboy. I should have learned to roll around. All right, well, I got my haircut, and as you can see, the mullet is a lot more manageable now. It looks a lot better than it did. Got a little bit of a lineup too on the beard, you know, so at least I look a little bit more cleaned up and professional, you know, for my flight and, you know, just for work in general. But now I got to get some radio programming done because I know I'm gonna end up forgetting, and there's a whole list of repeaters that I want to get programmed in my Anytone 878 that I'm taking with me to HamCation. So I'm gonna get started doing that. Alright, so I got the Anytone all programmed up for HamCation. This part of the video I'm actually filming on Wednesday. So I actually just went and picked up my shirts that I'm going to be wearing at HamCation. Super cool. I got, I think, 4 shirts total. I got 3 short sleeves and 1 long sleeve made just in case it's cold at some point during HamCation. These are what I ended up with. This is the front here. As you can see, it's just got my new logo on it. And then on the back of all my shirts, I just got the YouTube handle as well, like on the front where I had the logo and the YouTube handle. Got the YouTube handle, QR code that takes people to my YouTube channel, and the logo. So those are the shirts that I'll be wearing at HamCation. So make sure if you're at HamCation and you want to meet me in person, just look for the guy wearing the KF5IRE ham radio shirt and carrying around the camera, and that will be me. So now that I got the shirts picked up and all that, I'll be packing all my clothes and everything tomorrow, which tomorrow's Thursday. Again, y'all be seeing this video on Friday morning, so I'll be packing clothes and everything tomorrow on Thursday. But tonight, I'm going to go ahead and start unloading my backpack that I'm going to be using to carry gear around. And I'm just going to start kind of loading some gear up and all that, just to make sure that that's packed up and for the most part ready to go. Because I got some HTs that I'm going to be taking in my Mac and just all that sorts of things. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting my backpack unloaded. I got to take all the stuff out there that is not TSA approved. And yeah, so gonna go ahead and start taking the backpack apart now and start loading it with stuff that can actually fly. All right, well, I got my bags all packed for the trip, and now I gotta go edit this video. When you guys are watching this video, it'll probably be about 11 a.m. Central Time, or Eastern Time. I'm trying to decide on what time I'm actually gonna post this video, but it'll be about that time, so I'll already be on the plane or at HamCation, depending on how long the flight ends up actually taking. So let me go get this video put together, and if you're not going to HamCation, I will have some live streams this weekend. Friday, I'll have one, I think, around sometime in the afternoon. I don't have the time actually finalized yet, what time I'm actually gonna go live. It'll just depend on when I actually get into town and when I actually have the opportunity to go live. Saturday, I have another one planned as well. And I'll make posts for all those live streams before I go live, so you guys know when I'm about to go live on the community section of my YouTube channel. And also Sunday, I have not figured out what I'm gonna do for Sunday's live stream yet, so let me know down in the comments below, what should I do a live stream on Sunday afternoon before I leave HamCation, and actually before I have to fly out, so it'll probably be earlier in the day when I do a live stream on Sunday. So like I said, let me know down in the comments below, what would you like to see me do a live stream on Sunday? So if you're not going to HamCation, feel free to come hang out on the live stream for a little bit. I'll be live for a little bit each day. And if you are going to HamCation, feel free to stop by and say hi to me. Look forward to meeting you guys out there if you're going to HamCation, and just hanging out with everybody and having a good time, meeting some of the YouTubers, that sort of thing. So if you'll either join me in person or online for my first Hamfest at HamCation, I'm gonna get this video put together, guys. Until next time, 73.